Today is the day to celebrate mothers and daughters together.
Good morning, sweetheart.
Good morning, Mommy.
I love when we're together. Come on, sweetheart, show me your soccer skills.
You can do it.
My daughter and me. My daughter and me.
I did it. Go.
My daughter and me. My daughter and me. We play hard.
Mommy, can we plant flowers?
Of course, sweetheart.
Let's help our flowers grow.
Together, sweetheart.
My mommy and me. My mommy and me. We plant. My mommy and me. My mommy and me. My mommy and me. Mommy!
Our noses look the same,
They really do.
just like twins. My daughter and me. My daughter and me. I'm glad that you're mine. La la la.
Mommy, look.
We dress up fancy.
You look beautiful.
I'm glad that you're mine. Ready, little star?
We dress up fancy. I'm glad that you're mine.
Come on, sweetheart. Let's make something together.
Can we make something yummy? Of course. Oh, you got me. Mommy, let's play.
Let's play together. Look, it's talking.
Hello.
My daughter and me.
Mommy, look.
I love you, sweetheart.
I love you, Mommy.
Let's get ready for bed. Time for bed, sweetheart.
Okay, Mommy. Good night, Mommy.
Good night, sweetheart. Good night, sweetheart. I love you.
Good night, Mommy. I love you too.
My daughter and me.
My daughter and me. My daughter and me. I'm glad that you're mine. My daughter and me. My daughter and me. So happy, can't you see? Mommy?
Good morning, sweetheart.
Good morning, Mommy.
Look, our flowers.
They're beautiful.
Mommy, look how beautiful our garden is.
We made it together.
I love being with you.